हेलो एवरीवन, जय जगन्नाथ। स्वागत करुच्ची बिराजिक एक्सप्रेस को। आशा करें आपण मैंने भलरे थे और आपंकर प्रिपेरेसन भलरे चली। क्वेश्चन आरंभ करने पूर्व आपण मैंने समस्ते माँ सरस्वती को प्रणाम करंतु। आज इंडियन हिस्टरी रो क्लास नंबर 2। चलतु क्वेश्चन स्टार्ट करिया। हु प्रेसिडेंट ओवर द कराची सेशन ऑफ इंडियन नेशनल कांग्रेस इन 1931? Answer is option D, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Next question. The Congress Nationalist Party was formed to act as a powerful pressure group within the Congress by. Answer is option B, Madan Mohan Malviya and M.S. Ane. परवर्ती क्वेश्चन। रानी गैडलिन was a rebel leader against the Britishers from. Answer is option A, Manipur. परवर्ती क्वेश्चन। An interim cabinet headed by Jawaharlal Nehru was formed by the Congress in. Answer is option C, September 1946. परवर्ती क्वेश्चन। The revolutionary who was associated with the Indian Independence League was. Answer is option A, Ras Bihari Bose. परवर्ती क्वेश्चन। In which session of the Indian National Congress did the historic union of Congress and Muslim League take place? Answer is option D, Lucknow session in 1916. परवर्ती क्वेश्चन। The Muslim League demanded a separate homeland for Indian Muslims for the first time at its. Answer is option A, Lahore session in 1940. परवर्ती क्वेश्चन। Indian War of Independence 1857 was written by. Answer is option D, V.D. Savarkar. Next question. Under the Government of India Act 1935, it was decided to establish a federation consisting of. Answer is option C, governors, provinces and princely states. परवर्ती क्वेश्चन। Who called Government of India Act 1935 as thoroughly rotten, fundamentally bad and totally unacceptable? Answer is option B, Muhammad Ali Jinnah. परवर्ती क्वेश्चन। Which revolutionary was sentenced to death on August 17, 1909? Answer is option D, Madan Lal Dhingra. Next question. Who founded Tatavadini Sabha in 1839? Answer is option B. Maharshi Devendranath Tagore. Parvati question. The eminent Bengali novelist and composer of national song Vande Mataram who aroused a new consciousness in the 19th century Bengal society was. Answer is option B. Bankim Chandra Chattopadhyaya. Next question. Swami Vivekananda established Ramakrishna Mission. Answer is option B. 1897. मन रखिए 1 May 1897. Next question. For the cause of national liberation, Swami Dayananda stressed on. Answer is option D. All of the above. परवर्ती क्वेश्चन. Who founded Satya Sadak Samaj in 1873? Answer is option D. Jyotiba Phule. परवर्ती क्वेश्चन. The first president of Indian National Congress was. Answer is option A. Sir Umesh Chandra Banerjee. परवर्ती क्वेश्चन. Who conveyed to the Indians, I am with you wholeheartedly and in terms of culture I am one of you? Answer is option A. Annie Besant. परवर्ती क्वेश्चन. Aurobindo Ghosh, Borendra Kumar Ghosh, B.P. Mitra, Avinash Bhattacharya and Bhupendranath Dutt were associated with the revolutionary organization. Answer is option A. Anushilani Samiti in Bengal. परवर्ती क्वेश्चन. The main center of Ghadar movement of 1915 was. Answer is option A. United States of America. परवर्ती क्वेश्चन. Who brought out a paper with the title of the Loyal Muhammadans of India? Answer is option A. Sir Syed Ahmad Khan. परवर्ती क्वेश्चन. Individual Satyagraha was started on. Answer is option C. October 17, 1940. परवर्ती क्वेश्चन. In order to secure cooperation of Indians, the British government in the midst of worsening wartime international situation sent Cripps mission to India? Answer is option B, 1942. Next question. In accordance with provisions of the Government of India Act 1935, elections to the provincial legislature were held in. Answer is option D, February 1937. Next question. The first round table conference was held on. Answer is option A, November 12, 1930. So the question. After the suspension of the non-cooperation movement, who were called pro-changers in the Congress? Answer is option C, Motilal Nehru and Chittaranjan Das. Next question. Subhash Chandra Bose formed Forward Bloc in. Answer is option B, 1939. Parvati question. Who called the 1857 revolt as student farmer middle class revolt? Answer is option D, Dear Amba Prasad. Next question. Justice C.Y. Chintamani called Government of India Act 1935. Answer is option D, Lem Federation. ଆଜିର ଲାଷ୍ଟ କ୍ୱେଶ୍ଚନ୍ ଆପଣଙ୍କ ସ୍କ୍ରିନ୍ରେ। Mahatma Gandhi considered precondition as necessary for a satyagrahi to fulfill, namely. Answer is option D, all of the above. आशा करुच्ची क्लासटी आपको भल लगी। जदि आपको क्लासटी भल लगी थाए ताले लाइक शेयर कमेंट करने जमार भी भूलिए। थैंक यू, ऑल द बेस्ट, गॉड ऑलवेज ब्लेस यू। पुणी आपण सहित देखा नेक्स्ट न्यू क्लास रे। जय जगन्नाथ।